Hi, I'm EJ Bance. I'm a Salesforce consultant. I own a Salesforce practice, and I'm also a registered Salesforce partner. And what I wanted to do in this video was just kind of show you how I'm finding where positions are that are being sent to me through LinkedIn. Right now, I'm paying more attention to them because my existing project is going to be ending in the next month, and I need to find another project to work on. So I thought I'd just kind of share with everyone how I go about finding the work. So right now, primarily just most of it is through LinkedIn. And here's an example of a position that was sent to me, I think yesterday or maybe the day before. So this is it says job opportunity for senior Salesforce developer in Herndon, Virginia. Never heard of that place. And so you start looking through some of these requirements. At least 5 years of development experience with proficiency with at least one of the following back-end languages, like Java, Python, Node, .NET, etc. So this is interesting because they want somebody that not only knows Salesforce, but is also a developer in all these other languages. This is going to be pretty hard to fill because a person that knows a language like Java or .NET probably isn't going to want to do Salesforce in the first place. Strong Salesforce customization configuration experience in Sales Cloud and or Lightning communities. So this is, again, very odd because at first they're asking for very like programmer type of skills, and now they're asking for more configuration admin type of skills. And typically a person doesn't want to do both of those. Typically you'll find a programmer likes to program and a configurator doesn't like to program. So finding someone that wants to do both is going to be very difficult. It looks like it would be challenging. It sounds like it's for an enterprise type of situation. If they're talking about code reviews, strong documentation. Strong documentation is a flag that this is probably in a regulated industry. See if there's anything else in here. Oh geez, now they also need to know SOAP API, REST API, Bulk API. Bulk API would be normal because that's a Salesforce specific thing. Integration with third-party APIs, experience working with source repositories like Git. Yeah, it's a very developer-centric position here. Different licensing, agile environment. Okay. So this position is a contract position, it sounds like. And this company has probably reached out to a gazillion recruiters, and I think I've gotten this type of message maybe 3 or 4 times already. So I was interested in just figuring out who the end client was. So to find the company that this is actually for, I'll just search for one of these requirements in Google. So right here I can see this is already the listing coming up. Glassdoor, Career Builder, LinkedIn. I'm just looking for one that's more specific. So here's Fannie Mae. So Fannie Mae is, I'm assuming, where this position is actually for. No longer available. So maybe they filled it already. So let's try to go to Fannie Mae's website. Fannie Mae. And here I can search for careers. And I'll just search for Salesforce. So, and this is likely the position here. So I'll just search in the page for that phrase, and yeah, this is it right here. 5 years experience. Yep, this is the same one. So if I wanted to, I could just apply directly through Fannie Mae and just bypass the recruiter and end up getting like a better bill rate by going down that route. Now, sometimes this doesn't work because large companies only want to work with certain recruiting companies so that all of the invoicing gets funneled through one company. But you never know. You never know. But that's it. So this is just an example of how you can figure out where a job is that's being sent to you on LinkedIn if the recruiter doesn't want to tell you. A lot of times they don't want to tell you unless you'll sign an agreement that says you'll only apply through them so that they get their commission. My current project ends at the end of May. So I have 4 weeks to find another position. Usually it takes 2 weeks to go through interview process, and then you can have a start date that's another 2 weeks from that. So I usually start looking for the next project 4 weeks prior to the current one ending. So as I make progress, I'll share with you how I'm doing this. And hopefully that will help you use those same kind of techniques to find a job for yourself. That's all I have. Have fun.